Hello dear students, I am Manoj Bharti and I am going to teach chemistry to class 8th. In this video, we shall continue with our chapter number 8, water. Our next topic is reactivity series of metals. Students, reactivity series of metals is nothing but an arrangement of metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity. The metals written here are more reactive metals and the metals written here are less reactive metals. Hydrogen is also placed in the reactivity series of metals. Although you know that hydrogen is not a metal. This is because, like metals, hydrogen is also electropositive in nature. That's why it has been placed in the reactivity series of metals. An easy way to remember this reactivity series of metals is by remembering this monic form. कह दो ना कार मिलेगी ऑल्टो जैन फरारी. स्टूडेंट्स रिपीट इट विद मी. कह दो ना कार मिलेगी ऑल्टो जैन फरारी. सुनो पब्लिक है क्यूरियस होगी सिल्वर ओडी. सुनो पब्लिक है क्यूरियस होगी सिल्वर ओडी. द वर्ड क्यूरियस मीन्स ईगर टू नो समथिंग. You can pick K from कह दो, symbol for potassium, Na from Na, symbol for sodium, Ca from car, symbol for calcium, Mg from मिलेगी, symbol for magnesium, Al from alto, symbol for aluminium, Zn from Zan, symbol for zinc, Fe from Ferrari, symbol for iron, Sn from suno, symbol for tin, Pb from public, symbol for lead, H from है, symbol for hydrogen, Cu from curious, symbol for copper, Hg from होगी, symbol for mercury. Silver's symbol is Ag and you can pick Au from Od, symbol for gold. Our next topic is action of metals and metal oxide on water. Whenever metal or metal oxide reacts with water, you will always get metal hydroxide. But in case of metal reacts with water, you will get hydrogen gas as well. For example, sodium reacts with water. Sodium is in solid state and water is in liquid state. You will get aqueous sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. But in case of metal oxide like calcium oxide reacts with water, you will only get calcium hydroxide. And next topic is hard water and soft water. Water that lathers easily with soap is soft water. Water that form easily with soap is soft water. Lather means form. So the water which do not lathers easily with soap is hard water. Now, what makes water hard? Well, students, the presence of soluble salts makes water hard. There are two types of hardnesses of water. First is temporary hardness of water and second is permanent hardness of water. Temporary hardness of water is removed by boiling, and if the hardness of water is not removed by boiling, then it is permanent hardness of water. Temporary hardness of water is caused by hydrogen carbonate of calcium and magnesium, and permanent hardness of water is caused by sulfates and carbonates of calcium and magnesium. Students, you have to remember what causes temporary hardness of water and what causes permanent hardness of water. There are a number of disadvantages of hard water. Like hard water gives scales. Like if you try to boil hard water in a vessel, you will observe some concentric circles around the vessel. This is because hard water gives scales on boiling to the vessel. And students, do comment some more disadvantages of hard water in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.